Understanding peak streaming hours, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that's become more relevant in our digital age: peak streaming hours. Whether you're watching your favorite shows online or streaming live events, knowing this term will enhance your understanding of how digital content consumption works. Let's break it down together. Peak streaming hours refer to the specific times during the day when the highest number of people are watching videos, shows, or live events on the internet. Think of it as the rush hour for digital content. Just like roads become busiest during certain times, the internet experiences its own kind of traffic jam when everyone logs on to stream their favorite content. Understanding peak streaming hours is crucial for several reasons. For content creators, it helps in planning when to release new videos or go live to ensure maximum viewership. For viewers, it affects the quality of streaming. During peak hours, you might notice videos take longer to load or buffer more due to the high demand on the network. Internet service providers also use this information to manage bandwidth and improve service quality. While peak streaming hours can vary depending on the region and the day of the week, they generally fall during the evening hours when people are home from work or school. In many places, this is between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. local time. However, weekends and holidays might see a shift, with peak hours starting earlier in the day as people have more free time to enjoy digital content. Knowing about peak streaming hours can help you plan your streaming activities. If you're a content creator, consider scheduling your live streams or video releases slightly outside these hours to avoid competition and network congestion. As a viewer, if you experience slow streaming, try watching during off-peak hours for a smoother experience. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of peak streaming hours and why it matters in the world of digital content. Whether you're streaming for entertainment or creating content for others, this knowledge can help you make the most of your online experience. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!